Devin, please don't run off, love. Nobody else is running, baby. We're gonna hit a line at some point. Nope.
Are these real superstars?
No. But they're pretty awesome.
They probably add some more detail. I smell smoke.
Yep. I'm sure they have plenty of smoke effects.
She said the wait's no more than car in her bedroom.
Oh, is that a GoPro? Insta 360. Yeah. She makes some really good videos.
I'm gonna get separated. That's why I keep saying, please hurry, please hurry. Grab your sister's hand. It's gonna be dark in here. You want to hold Devin's hand instead?
Ladies and gentlemen, please drag your bodies away from the walls towards the dead center of the room inside the red circle.
Oh, I can't get inside those.
I don't like how the roof changes.
All your attention, the master's portraits above.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue. And let's all stay together, please. There are several prominent ghosts who have retired here from creepy old crypts all over the world. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer.
All the time, they just rub off. And we so many times that I bet our skin is giving me a call today. You guys are going to be the better one. You're going to be, don't worry. They're going together, the two of us. You're right down. exactly live. It's not cool. You can watch the video again.
Carry you into the moldering sanctum of the spirit world. Will accommodate you and follow till the
Is this ride pretty calm?
Yeah. It's not like a mellow one.
So I'll probably put on the camera then.
Brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los pequeñitos y ahora prepárense.
we find life unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps and hot and cold running chills. Listen.
Oh, it's a crow. Tune, sweet tune. What in the heck?
Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pun. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the
The happy
bell.
haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling vibrations, swinging, waiting to materialize. Expect a receiver. I'll see you all a little later. Expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
This is really cool, man. They did a really good job making this.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
Break down one we can sit here and just.
We have been unavoidably detained by pranky spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy, please. We will continue our tour momentarily. Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
I like that. There are
stuff they put into it. We just watched it the other night.
Spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy.
These spooks.
We will proceed in just a moment.
Make sure to keep your hands and arms inside the buggy at all times. Thank you.
Materialize, I begin to vocalize, bring ghosts come out to